Welcome to our guide on using Clickup for task management. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and boost productivity, you're in the right place. Clickup is a versatile project management tool that offers a wide range of features to help you organize tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team effectively. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large organization, Clickup's customizable interface and powerful functionalities can be tailored to meet your specific needs. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of setting up your workspace, creating and assigning tasks, setting deadlines, and utilizing advanced features like time tracking and automation. Get ready to transform the way you work and achieve your goals more efficiently with ClickUp. When it comes to pricing, ClickUp offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. The free forever plan is perfect for individuals or small teams who want to get a feel for the platform without any financial commitment. It includes unlimited tasks, unlimited members, and up to 100 MB of storage, making it a great starting point. For those who need more advanced features and greater storage, the unlimited plan is available at a competitive monthly rate. This plan provides unlimited integrations, unlimited dashboards, and advanced reporting features. For larger teams or businesses, the business and enterprise plans offer even more robust tools and enhanced security options, including advanced automation, goal tracking, and priority support. Each plan is designed to scale with your needs, ensuring you have the right tools at your fingertips as your team grows. Signing up for ClickUp is a straightforward process designed to get you up and running quickly. To get started, simply head over to ClickUp's website and click the Sign Up button. You can create an account using your email address, or if you prefer, you can sign up with your Google or Microsoft account for even faster access. Once you've entered your details, you'll be guided through a few simple steps to set up your workspace, including selecting your preferred workspace name and customizing some basic settings to fit your workflow. Creating a workspace in ClickUp is simple and user-friendly, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's set up a workspace named Marketing to help you manage your projects more effectively. First, log in to your ClickUp account. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll start on the welcome screen. Click on the Create Workspace button to begin. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your workspace type in Marketing to reflect the focus of your projects. After naming your workspace, you'll be asked to invite team members. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer to do it later. If you're ready to add your team, enter their email addresses, and ClickUp will send them an invitation to join. Now, you'll move on to setting up your workspace structure. ClickUp offers several views like List, Board, and Calendar, which you can customize based on your preferences and the nature of your projects. For marketing, you might find the Board view useful for tracking campaigns, while the Calendar view is great for scheduling content. Once your basic setup is done, ClickUp will guide you through a quick tour of the workspace features. Take a few minutes to explore these, as they'll help you get the most out of the platform. Now, you're ready to start creating tasks and projects within your marketing workspace. Click the New Task button to start adding tasks, set deadlines, assign them to team members, and organize them into different lists or categories that make sense for your marketing efforts. In your newly created marketing workspace on ClickUp, you'll find a variety of features designed to help you organize and manage your projects effectively. One of the most versatile is the List view, where you can create detailed task lists for different aspects of your marketing efforts. This could include lists for social media campaigns, content creation, email marketing, and more. Each list can be customized with tasks that you can easily add by clicking the New Task button. Enter a task name, add details, set a due date, and assign it to team members. Lists help you keep everything in order, ensuring that no task falls through the cracks. The Board view is particularly useful for visualizing the progress of your tasks. It's like a digital Kanban board where you can see tasks move through different stages. When you create a task in the Board view, it starts in the To Do column. As you or your team members begin working on a task, you can simply drag it to the In Progress column. This visual movement makes it easy to track the status of various tasks at a glance and quickly identify what needs attention. Filters are another powerful feature in Clickup that help you focus on specific tasks or projects without getting overwhelmed by the clutter. You can set filters to view tasks assigned to a particular team member, tasks with upcoming deadlines, or tasks tagged with specific labels. This way, you can quickly find what you're looking for and prioritize your work more effectively. Calendars in Clickup allow you to see your tasks and deadlines in a timeline format, making it easier to plan and schedule your marketing activities. You can switch to the calendar view to get an overview of what's due and when, which helps in managing deadlines and ensuring timely completion of projects. Drag and drop functionality in the calendar view also makes it easy to reschedule tasks as needed. Clickup offers a suite of features designed to enhance your productivity and keep your work organized. One of the first things you'll notice when you log in is the home view, which serves as your personal dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your tasks, reminders, and activity. It's a great way to start your day, as it consolidates everything you need to focus on and helps you prioritize your workload. The inbox feature acts as a central hub for all your notifications and activity updates. Instead of juggling multiple notifications from different tasks or projects, Inbox consolidates them into one place. This makes it easier to keep track of comments, task updates, and mentions, ensuring you never miss important information. Docs in Clickup are incredibly versatile, allowing you to create and collaborate on documents directly within your workspace. Whether you're drafting a marketing plan, compiling meeting notes, or brainstorming ideas, Docs provides a rich text editor that supports various formatting options. You can also link Docs to specific tasks or projects, ensuring all related information is easily accessible. Dashboards offer powerful visualization tools to help you monitor your project's progress and performance. You can create custom dashboards with widgets that display data like task completion rates, project timelines, and workload distribution. This visual representation of your data can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Clips are a handy feature for recording and sharing video messages or screen captures. If you need to explain a complex process or provide feedback on a project, clips allow you to create quick video messages that you can share with your team. This can be particularly useful for remote teams, where visual communication can enhance understanding and collaboration. Finally, goals in Clickup allow you to set, track, and achieve specific objectives. You can break down large goals into smaller, manageable targets, assign them to team members, and monitor progress. This feature helps keep everyone focused and motivated, ensuring that your team is working towards common objectives and celebrating milestones along the way. The reminder feature in Clickup is like having a personal assistant that ensures you never forget important tasks or deadlines. You can set reminders for specific tasks, meetings, or any other important events directly within the app. Simply choose the date and time you need a reminder, and Clickup will notify you at the right moment. Whether it's a quick note to follow up on an email or a crucial project milestone, reminders keep you on track and help you manage your time effectively. This way, you can focus on your work without worrying about missing anything important. Here's to a more productive and efficient future with Clickup. Until next time, happy task managing.